my gosh, Mia, you're so gross. Mia, you are disgusting. What the fuck? Stop, you guys! You're being weird. Oh my goodness. Ew. What the hell? You guys are so weird. You're both doing it. Oh my gosh, Mia! What the hell? You are disgusting. Both of you guys are fucking disgusting. Oh my gosh. Mia, what? What the hell? Mia! Oh my gosh! What the hell? Ew! You guys are fucking disgusting. Ew. Oh my goodness. Mia. What the hell? Ringo, get away from me. Mia, quit it! Quit it! Quit it! No! No more. No more. You too, Ringo. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that, you punk. No. You guys are so weird. What the hell? Mia, you watch too many movies. Like, what the fuck? Oh my gosh. You guys are so... Oh my gosh, this is so bad. What? What are you guys doing? Okay, Mia, what are you doing? You're just like standing over him. Mia, stop humping! You guys, stop! Jesus. Mia, quit it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. You are disgusting. You guys need to be separated. You guys seriously need to be separated because this is ridiculous. Mia, don't do it. Mia, quit. Ringo, what the hell? Okay, move your ass. Okay, finally, you guys are settling down.